Go to Manage Products, Marketplace under the Dropshipper section and find the product. Choose the right variant and product quantity. There is no need to choose the shipping method for inventory orders. Click Add to Cart and you will see the products ready to be purchased in the cart. You can enter full screen to check more details. Select the product. You can change the quantity here again. Click Submit. You will get an order summary. Then choose the right warehouse and payment method to make payment. If you click Create Inventory Order, you can go check and continue to pay on Page Purchase List. Also, you can check the status of the inventory orders here. When the payment is done, you can see your inventory on page My Inventory.